me too. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just getting ready for this weather outside. I got my sun hat and my shades. And let me get my beach towel because I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I gotta put my bathing suit on a little bit later too, in the bathroom. So, oh, what's so funny? Oh, I mean, are these the right clothes for the weather outside today? No, they're not? Why? Who can tell me, raise a quiet hand, who can tell me why my clothes aren't appropriate for the weather today? Carla, oh, thank you. I did look really nice with those shades on, right? So, tell me, why aren't my clothes appropriate for the weather? Well, yeah, it is winter. It is cold outside. It's cloudy, right? Can I go to the beach right now and take a swim in the beach? No, I can't, right? It's too cold, right? It's not appropriate, right? We need to wear the appropriate clothes for the weather outside. Well, I was doing that today because I wanted to introduce our new unit that we're going to be learning about. And our new unit is called Change Over Time. And our essential question for this unit is, how do environments change over time, and how do we protect people from weather-related hazards? Now, again, this isn't a unit, so we're going to be doing 5 lessons that are going to be talking about and going over these things, right? Change over time. Now, today we're going to be focusing on weather and climate and how weather changes. So our essential question for today is, what is weather and why does the weather change? That's what we're going to be figuring out today and kind of talking and discussing and learning about. Now, I have an awesome video on weather, but before we do that, I want you guys to think about weather. Think about that word weather. What does it mean to you? What do you think of when you hear the word weather? And I have a great graphic organizer, because you know Ms. Castro loves graphic organizers, and I have this graphic organizer here. Who knows what it's called? Jason. Oh, thank you. Yes, it's a word web, right? So what do we do with a word web? Isabella, oh yes, we put our topic in the middle. Our topic goes in the middle, and then what are these for? What do we do? Tommy, oh yes, we do, right? We write details or things that we think of that have to do, that are related to that word. Good, so I want all of you guys to fill one of these out. Remember, right? Weather in the middle. And I'm gonna give you guys about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see how fast, what we can think of on the word web. And remember, if you run out of, you don't have enough, you can always draw more space to fill in more words and more details on the word web, okay? All right, guys, and I'm gonna come around and walk around and see what great words you have there. Great job. Ooh, I didn't think about that. All right, time is up. All right, I want you to turn and talk to your partner. I want you to discuss some of the words that you thought of or things that you thought of that were related when you thought about the word weather. All right, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. I heard a lot of great things going on in that turn and talk. A lot of great words, a lot of great ideas with the word weather. Now, I'm going to show you guys a video, and it's called Introduction to Weather, and we're going to be learning more about weather and climate, and how are they different, right? Weather and climate, they're related, but they're not the same thing. And this video is going to talk a lot about weather and climate and why weather changes, okay? So I want everyone to take out their science journals. And as you're taking out your science journals, I'm going to transfer over our smartboard so that we can watch our video. Take out your science journals in 5, 4. Oh, Jose Carlos, I love the way you're taking it out so quietly. 3, 2. Oh, we're almost there. And 1. Good job. Thank you. Now, really quickly, I just want us to go over some vocabulary words that we're going to be hearing in our video. All right, I want us to be familiar with some of the words that we're going to be hearing today and working with today in our video and in a story that I'm going to read to you guys a little bit later. So I want you guys to be mindful of these words as you're listening to the video, and I want you to take some notes down of the words and some, maybe their definitions or anything else that you find interesting in the video, okay? So let's quickly go over these words before we watch the video. All right, guys, so some of our words are weather, climate, meteorologist, forecast, temperature, atmosphere, latitude, altitude, polar zone, tropical zone, temperate zone, climatologist, humidity, clouds, wind, air pressure, precipitation, water cycle, scientist, rain, cold front, and warm front. I know it seems like a lot of words, but we're going to see how we're going to see these words a lot throughout our unit and a lot today in our lesson, okay? They're very important words, and they're all kind of related, all right? So I'm going to post this on the side here so that you guys have a visual of it as you're watching your video and you know what kind of words to look out for and make notes of it, okay? All right. So everyone take out your science journals and just give me 1 second while I change this over to our video.